No, I didn't realize that I needed.
All rise. 39th District Court back in session.
You may be seated. Did I ask to review that case, Mr.?
I have, Your Honor.
Mr. Somberg, before we get to that case, sir, I understand that you have an individual in this courtroom that has been streaming live on Facebook the proceedings. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Is there anyone that gave you that permission, sir?
No, I didn't realize that I needed
you did.
permission. I apologize
Did
about
you not
that.
know, sir, that you were an officer of the court?
I took it upon myself, Your Honor, and I...
No, I don't want to talk to you, sir. I'm asking the attorney. You knew that that was going on, right?
Yes.
Did you ask permission of the court?
No.
Did you know that you were a court officer? You were an officer of the court, sir?
Yes.
And why wouldn't you let me know that that was taking place?
I thought because it was already happening and we're in a public
really?
area.
This is not being live streamed, sir. Plus, they got permission from me to do what they're doing.
I apologize, Your Honor. It won't happen again. It's my mistake.
I'm going to find you in contempt, sir. And we're going to set a contempt hearing for you.
Two television news cameras were live streaming the ridiculous trial of a man cited for warming up his car in the driveway of his Michigan home during sub-freezing temperatures when the judge turned to the defense and asked if they were live streaming. Attorney Nicholas Sommerg acknowledged that his associate sitting behind him was live streaming, but had only done so after asking the local media if it was permissible. But Roseville District Judge Marco Santia was infuriated that Sommerg did not fill out a permission slip approved by him and ruled him in contempt of court. The judge also looked directly into the two local media cameras that were live streaming and insisted they were not live streaming, to the delight and bewilderment of thousands of people watching the live stream on Facebook. Judge Santia then ruled against Sommerg's client, Taylor Truppiano, for having the gall to leave his car running in his driveway to warm it up for his girlfriend and toddler who were inside the house, layering up before stepping into the 8-degree weather. Santia stated that it was reasonable for a cop to cite a family for leaving the car running in the name of safety to keep thieves from stealing running cars. However, Roseville police officer Kevin Keary was not at all concerned about the car getting stolen, considering he left the citation on the windshield of the 1997 Chrysler Concorde and drove off without even knocking on their door to warn them about the possibility of the car getting stolen. Truppiano stepped out of his home less than 10 minutes later to find the citation for $128 plastered on his icy windshield. The 24-year-old man then posted a photo of the citation to Facebook, calling the cop officer dipshit K. Keary in a post that has been shared more than 14,000 times, generating thousands of comments that were hurtful to the feelings of the Roseville Police Department. Roseville Police Chief James Berlin was so offended by the comments that he told Trulliano to drop dead in a media interview. The case drew the attention of local attorney Sommerg, who agreed to take the case pro bono because Truppiano could not afford representation. Sommerg argued that although there is a state law that says car cannot be allowed to remain running unattended, the law does not apply to private property. He even cited a case of a man found drunk behind the wheel of his car while sitting on his property who ultimately was found not guilty of DUI. But it appears Santia allowed his judicial judgment to be affected by his anger over Sommerg for not filling out a permission slip before live streaming. Sommerg, who is still a rookie lawyer, said he did not know he needed to fill out a permission slip to have his associate do what the other two reporters were already doing. And the video shows him apologizing profusely, promising to never do it again. The video also shows Santia is clueless about technology, believing the news media does not have the capability to live stream a newsworthy trial to the internet. So now Sommerg is facing up to 93 days in jail and even disbarment for the contempt of court ruling against him, which would be a worst-case scenario. He has a hearing on May 25 and plans to represent himself. He also plans to appeal the $128 citation. The video below is the clip where he is held in contempt. The second clip begins with that portion, but continues until the end of the trial.
Hey Charlotte County, this is Charlotte County Cop Watch, and I wanted to explain what fair use is. You can use pieces of news articles if you're doing it for news reporting, you have commentary, and you're doing it for education purposes. So that's what fair use is, as you can see right here. Another reason why I wanted to make this video is to let you know I have just joined with Patreon. A nice thing with Patreon, I make no money on YouTube. They took the money away years ago, and so this is another way to give, and it's a nice thing too because you can give monthly. You can give $1, $5, $10, whatever. I do 4 to 5 hours a day on trying to wake the sheeple up on how corrupt it is and different ways that you can fight the corruption. So Patreon is a way that you can do it, and then of course the old way is still there. Donate to Charlotte County Cop Watch with PayPal or credit card. So keep that in mind. 4 to 5 hours a day. I make no money, but the corruption happened to me and I'm sick of it, so I'm trying to wake people up. But my wife would love it if some, if we could get some help out there. There's 47,000 subscribers. Just think if each one of you subscribers just gave a, let's say, actually, yes, $1 a month. 47,000 subscribers gave $1 a month. That would be awesome. That's not going to happen. But anyways, that would be great if it did happen. But, do the math in your head. Just think about it. Like I said, 4 to 5 hours a day. I get no money from YouTube. YouTube has gone nuts. You can't do anything anymore. They're taking the money away everywhere. So these are a couple different ways that you can still help out with all this time that I put in. And as you know, I'm in a special situation where, at least I can do it. 4 to 5 hours a day. We have a cleaning company during the day. That's what allows me to do this, and we're debt free. So this is my hobby. I don't go fishing and all that other crap. I try to save the world. So help me out to make the wife happy, man. In fact, if you guys did give $1 a day, and there was 47,000 of you, and you did it, and each of you gave $1, and that was every month, oh my God, yes, I could quit. I could start suing them. Another idea too that we have is, if I got, some funds, we could actually contact everyone that has been ticketed and or arrested and put in jail and start sending them postcards to let them know we're here, and to see if everything went all right, and if it didn't, find out their story. So we could even do more investigations and more lawsuits. Lawsuits take money. So just think about that. 47,000 of you so far right now. $1 a day. $1 a month on Patreon, or $5 a month Patreon, 10, 20, whatever. Just do the math in your head. Help out. This is a lot of work every single day. Thanks.